Do you ever wonder what the top 100 YouTube channels actually have in common? The secret is that they are constantly pumping out shorts like it is their main day job. Most of them are posting these short videos daily, and frankly, the algorithm absolutely loves short-form content right now. Shorts simply get way more reach than your typical long-form video upload. Today I'm going to show you how to create an entire month of YouTube Shorts in just one single day. We are going to use two powerhouse tools, ChatGPT for the creative heavy lifting, and Vizard for the actual production and distribution. You will stay consistent, grow your channel quickly, and honestly, you do not need to be a professional editor to pull this off. Stick with me until the very end, because I have a secret bonus hack to share that will change your workflow. First, you need to nail down your 30 ideas by splitting your content into specific buckets that serve your audience. Don't overcomplicate this process. Just find categories that teach, inspire, or entertain your specific viewers. Once you have your 5 main categories, just brainstorm 6 ideas for each one to hit that magic number of 30. Now let's use ChatGPT to generate those ideas instantly by giving it clear prompts about your niche and the format. Make sure you include platform details like YouTube Shorts and tell the AI what constraints you need to follow. Save all these great ideas into a tool like Notion or Google Sheets so you have a clean list to reference later. Next, ask the model to draft 6 short scripts for each idea so you can turn them into videos without struggle. You want these scripts to be between 30 to 45 seconds and include clear scene breaks for better editing. Now comes the part where most creators get stuck, but this is where Vizard completely flips the game. Instead of building videos from scratch, just upload your long-form footage directly into the Vizard platform. Their intelligent auto-editing feature scans your video and pulls out the most viral, high-value moments automatically. It finds the emotional beats and key hooks that naturally grab a viewer's attention and turns them into ready-to-post clips. You are not just letting a robot do the work, because Vizard gives you the power to tweak, trim, and rearrange every single scene. It even auto-generates your captions and sets the right aspect ratio for mobile screens, saving you hours of tedious manual labor. While other editors focus on complex design templates, Vizard focuses on speed, bulk processing, and raw intelligence. Once your clips are ready, just match your ChatGPT written scripts to the footage to ensure everything aligns perfectly. You can record your own voiceover or use the text-to-speech feature to save time, though real voices often build better connections. For music, check the YouTube Shorts audio charts to find trending tracks that help your video get discovered by new people. Just remember to balance your levels, making sure the background music stays soft enough for your message to be heard. Branding is important, so use consistent fonts and colors across your batch, but add unique animations to keep the feed fresh. When it's time to export, aim for a high resolution like 1080 by 1920 to avoid any annoying compression artifacts. Scheduling is another huge win here, as Vizard allows you to auto-schedule your posts so you never miss a day. The content calendar is where you can see your entire month laid out, letting you drag and drop to reschedule if needed. You can even repurpose these videos for other platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok by adjusting the aspect ratios in seconds. Always remember that personal touches, like your own unique sign-off, will help build lasting brand recall with your viewers. Don't be afraid to A/B test your hooks, because swapping the first 3 seconds of a clip can totally change your performance. Now, for that bonus hack I promised, take your top performing shorts at the end of the month and stitch them into a long compilation. This creates a brand new long-form video that drives watch time and gives your audience more of what they already loved. To recap, use your buckets, script with AI, let Vizard handle the edits, and automate your entire posting schedule. Try this workflow next time you want to scale up, because it is truly the fastest path from a few videos to a month of content. If you want the exact prompts I use for ChatGPT to get these scripts, just drop a comment and I will share them. Otherwise, go upload that footage, let Vizard find the gold, and enjoy having your calendar filled for the whole month.